In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use playbooks in HubSpot. Playbooks are a fantastic feature in HubSpot, designed to boost your team's efficiency and consistency during important sales or support conversations. Essentially, they are interactive guides that appear directly on your CRM records, such as contact, deal, or ticket pages. Imagine them as virtual call scripts, checklists, or even coaching cards. They provide you with a structured flow of prompts, questions, and scripted responses, facilitating smoother and more effective interactions with customers or prospects. Let's dive right into how you can create your very first playbook in HubSpot. First things first, you'll want to access the Playbooks tool. Navigate through your HubSpot account by clicking on CRM and then selecting Playbooks. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll need to initiate your new playbook by clicking on Create Playbook. HubSpot gives you the flexibility to either start from scratch or use one of their sales or service templates. This choice depends on your specific needs and what you believe will best serve your team's objectives. After you have your blank canvas or chosen template in front of you, it's time to name your playbook. Click the pencil icon and give it a title that is clear and descriptive. This will help you and your team quickly identify its purpose later. Now, using the editor provided, you can build the content of your playbook. This is where you can add text, instructions, questions, checklists, or call scripts. Think carefully about the flow of a typical conversation and how you can guide it towards a successful outcome. Next, focus on enhancing your playbook with interactive elements. HubSpot's toolbar offers a range of options for you to insert snippets, which are particularly handy for reusable text. You can also include knowledge base articles or links, and even images or videos if they add value to the interaction. For enterprise users, there are advanced options available, such as Q&A fields with choices between open text, multiple choice, or property updating responses. These interactive elements ensure that your team is not just following a script, but is engaged in a dynamic conversation. Once your playbook content is ready, head over to the Settings tab. Here, you can configure how interactions are logged. Decide if they should be recorded as a call, meeting, note, etc., and set your default engagement types. This step ensures all interactions are tracked and streamlined for analysis later. An intelligent feature of HubSpot is the ability to recommend playbooks automatically. Using filters, you can suggest specific playbooks based on record properties. For instance, during a particular deal stage, the relevant playbook can pop up automatically, saving time and maintaining focus on the task at hand. Finally, after you've reviewed everything and are satisfied with your playbook, go ahead and click Publish. This will make your playbook live and ready for your team to use. By following these steps, you can make sure that your team has all the resources they need right at their fingertips, improving both confidence and performance during customer interactions. Thank you for watching, and happy playbooking.